Hey, can you get that?
Can you please get it? I'm trying to sleep.
Alright, fine. Hi, how's it going?
Howdy there. I have a package for 2 cube for you.
Thank you, sir. I don't remember ordering anything recently.
Well, then I guess it's a mystery package. Can you sign here, please?
Alright, yep, got it.
If you could flip to the next page and sign at the bottom, that basically states that no liabilities can be traced back to us and we are not responsible for any damages that occur.
Okay. Alright, there you go, sir. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
What have we here? What? It's just a regular cube? What the heck? Hey, can I talk to you for a second? I'm kind of freaking out right now. One sec. Alright, what's up, dude? Well, I can't move my arm. That's weird. Did you sleep on it funny or something? No, it was laying to my side when I woke up. Do you remember the first time that it happened? I think it was pretty soon after you answered the door. Let me try something. I don't know if this will work, but... What? Huh. Interesting. Huh, interesting what? What did you just do? Hey, stop that.
Wait.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, man, what are you doing? What the heck? Ow. Stop it right now or I'm telling Mom. If you don't stop right now, Oh. Dude, come on. That's not cool. Put it away. Yeah, I'll stop. I just... Stop hitting yourself. Stop. Hey, sorry. Come on. Sorry. I'm gonna hit you. Okay, I'm done. Wait, just let me solve it really quick. I need to go to the cops about this. This is ridiculous. All right, I'm done. Thank you.